This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Ruth Hansen. This open, split floor plan located in the gated community of Deer Creek offers 3 bedrooms, with walk-in closet in the master bedroom, central vacuum system, intercom, formal dining and living room and family room off the kitchen. It also has an office with a closet so it can be used as a 4th bedroom. The pool is accessible from the living, dining, family rooms and the master bedroom. Located on a quiet cul-de-sac and a pretty lake. Close to shopping, eating, entertainment, Legacy Trail and YMCA. All vehicles must be parked in the garage. Parking on the driveway or street is strictly prohibited. For more information, review the details below or contact Ruth Hansen at 941-907-2000.